When it comes to credit cards, there are so many out there, and they all have different benefits, different annual fees, and earn different points. For someone like me who has more than 15 active credit cards to my name, I can easily maximize my points earning. But what if you don't want to have so many credit cards and just looking to maximize your points earning potential with as little credit cards as possible? Well, you're in luck. The personal credit card duo that I'm about to show you in this video really gives you a ton of points in return for your regular spending and most definitely deserves smashing the like button. So go ahead and hit the like button now and enjoy the video. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in credit cards and award travel, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step award travel guide in the description below. The first card in this 2-card combo is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. On its own, this card is not that great. It earns 1.5 ultimate rewards points per dollar on everything. Then you can redeem these points for a penny a piece, which means you'll be getting 1.5% back on everything. So on the surface, a card like the Citi Double Cash is much better since it'll give you 2% back on everything. But right now, the welcome offer on the Chase Freedom Unlimited is structured where you'll earn 3x points on everything for the first $20,000 spent on the card in the first year. So honestly, that's amazing value right there. The true value though of the Chase Freedom Unlimited comes when you pair it with cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve. Then you can convert the points earned on the Freedom Unlimited into ultimate rewards points at a 1-to-1 ratio. This is an easy process and you can do it quickly online and the transfers are instant. When you do this, you're upping the value of every point earned with the Chase Freedom Unlimited from 1 to 1.7 cents, which is how much I value each ultimate rewards point, meaning you'll be getting an increase in value of 70%. You can learn more about the Freedom Unlimited and other Chase cards from the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so make sure to click on Show More to read the advertiser disclosure. Thank you very much for supporting me and this channel. With that said, the other half of the best personal credit card duo to maximize earning Chase Ultimate Rewards points is the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. Having both the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Sapphire Reserve means you'll be paying a total of $450 in annual fees. And you'll be earning 3x points on travel and dining and 1.5x on everything else. On top of that, you'll be getting an easy-to-use $300 travel credit from the Sapphire Reserve, which works on many things like airfare, hotels, cruises, Uber, and parking, and others. So if you max out this credit every year, which is easy to do, you'll be really only paying $150 out of pocket for the annual fee, which will then get you access to over 1,200 airport lounges across the world with a free Priority Pass membership with the Chase Sapphire Reserve. You'll also get a $100 credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck every 4 years. You'll get amazing travel protection and coverage for things like delayed flights, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and primary insurance. All that with no foreign transaction fees, which is great for earning 3x points on travel and dining purchases while abroad. So in order to really crunch the numbers on these two cards, we have to look at how you can redeem the points. There are really only 3 good ways to redeem your ultimate rewards points with this combo. The first one is the easy one, combining all your points on your Chase Sapphire Reserve card, then redeeming for any kind of travel purchase through the Chase Travel portal. This will give you a value of 1.5 cents per point and doesn't require any skill or searching for any award availability or anything like that. So when you factor in the redemption value of 1.5 cents per point to your earnings rate, it comes out to the equivalent of earning 4.5% on dining and travel and 2.25% on everything else. This is a great value for just having 2 credit cards and a total effective annual fee of just $150. Next redemption kind of combines the first and the third one. It's very easy and doesn't require much skill, but it also requires to transfer points. And that is transferring your Ultimate Rewards points to Hyatt hotels. This is basically how I use all of my Chase points now, and you can get values of 2 cents and even 3.5 cents per point depending on how much the hotel costs. If you stay at low category hotels during peak times or high-end hotels pretty much any anytime, you can easily beat the 1.5 cents per point value and get way more than that. The third way of redeeming points that has the potential of getting you a ton of value per point is transferring to airline partners like United, Flying Blue, British Airways, and Singapore Airlines. You get the biggest bang for your points when you redeem for business and first class flights with those airlines. And keep in mind that in order to transfer your points, you can only do that through the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, not the Freedom Unlimited. But like I said, you can easily move your points from your Freedom card to your Reserve card. Then you can transfer all the points you need to the travel partner you're looking to transfer to. So you can fly in Singapore Suites or Air France business class or whatever your heart desires. Now let's talk about getting approved for these cards. Both of these cards fall under the Chase 524 rule. So if you've opened 5 or more credit cards with any other bank in the last 24 months, you won't be approved. So you should really start building your Chase cards portfolio early on. For the Sapphire Reserve card, here's what might be a good way of getting it nowadays. Chase put a restriction where you can't earn a bonus on a Sapphire card, whether it's the Preferred or Reserve, if you have either one currently open or you received the bonus on a Sapphire card in the last 48 months. So what I think is a good way around this is getting the Chase Sapphire Preferred first, especially now since it has 60,000 points offer as opposed to 50,000 on the Reserve. And it's also easier to get approved for because it's only a Visa signature, which needs a minimum $5,000 limit, where the Reserve, being a Visa Infinite, needs a minimum credit limit of $10,000. Then after you have the card for a year, you can call Chase and ask them to upgrade you to the Sapphire Reserve to start earning 3x points on travel and dining, and also get the $300 travel credit and all the other benefits that come with the Sapphire Reserve. So now that we're done with the best personal credit card duo to maximize your Chase Ultimate Rewards points earning, what if you were open to getting more than 2 cards? I definitely recommend the Chase Freedom. Not the unlimited one, the regular one. It's great because it has no annual fees, so it will cost you nothing to add it to your wallet, but it earns 5x points on rotating categories every quarter. Those can be gas stations, supermarkets, department stores, dining, and many other categories, so you can really earn a ton of points that you can also combine with the Chase Sapphire Reserve and use them to book travel at 1.5 cents per point or transfer them to partner airlines. Which means at a value of 1.5 cents per point, you'll be getting the equivalent of 7.5% back on those rotating categories, which is capped at $1,500 each quarter. Not a bad deal for a no annual fee credit card. So that's it, guys. That's what I consider the best personal credit card duo out there for maximizing Chase Ultimate Rewards points, and pretty much for getting points in general. Let me know in the comments what you think and what your favorite credit card combos are. And thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.